who's here.
Who are they?
That's Jeremiah Jenner and some old geezers from the Sunrise Senior Citizen Center.
Looks like they came to take pictures of us, is that right?
No, you must know that that is not so.
Oh, they are art photographers and we're not art, not yet at least.
Now you got it.
See that one? He's Bruce, he's transformative, he dynamically turns the mundane into abstract art.
Look what he did here. I don't know what that was, but I know what it now is. It's a piece of dynamite, aesthetically.
Wow, Bruce draws beauty right out also.
Seems like he knows how to find portals to where the honeydew is stored also.
Devilish. Ron's image well captures the glorious colors of the sunrise sunset. Show me which one of them is Ron.
I'll stand on his head so you'll know. Okay, will that do? This is a guy who knows how to handle whites. He knows how to handle blacks too. Watch this.
I told you, and I showed you, he is a colorist.
Okay, I agree, but just so you know, black and white are colors too.
I'm getting tired. Got any more? Rain's soon gonna pour.
What's gonna be pouring is colors.
Whoa, I don't know about this guy at all. His photos look like they're made by an oddball.
But hey, if you like that sort of thing at all, you could give him a call at 954-305-6155. We want to think he could make you look like a Barbie doll.